The Oscal Pilot 3 has been announced and it's expected to launch in June for a very affordable price. The device is expected to cost around $300 to $350, but this is just me speculating, alright, there is no official price yet. Anyways, let's quickly explore the top features of the Blackview Oscal Pilot 3. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the Pilot 3 is a robust smartphone featuring a 5G MediaTek Dimensity 6300 CPU with a clock speed of up to 2.4 GHz. The device ships with the latest Android 15, which is impressive, and according to Blackview, it features tons of AI capabilities. Additionally, the phone boasts a 6.78-inch 1080 by 2460 display with a 120Hz refresh rate and the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The phone is 14.5mm thick and it weighs 357 grams, so it's a bulky device. Memory includes 12GB of RAM with up to 24GB VRAM expansion, and its internal storage is 256GB, which can be expanded up to 2TB using a microSD card. Camera capabilities includes a dual rear camera system consisting of a 50MP main sensor and a 20MP night vision camera. And the phone has a 32MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. Powering the device is a 7500 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging and optional 6 watts reverse wired charging, which means you can charge other devices with this phone. So additional features include Dual Nano SIM, GPS and other essential navigation systems, OTG, FM radio, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, NFC, IP68 and IP69K ratings. The device is also military-grade standard 810H certified. So these are some of the top features of the Oscal Pilot 3. As I mentioned earlier, the device is expected to launch in June for a very affordable price. When it releases, I'll definitely let you guys know. I'll also update you guys regarding its price. Anyway, what do you guys think about the Pilot 3? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.